I got my ice cube and I'm gonna rub it in circular motion. Applying an ice cube to your face is not as straightforward as you think, and if you really want to enhance the benefits of icing your skin, there are some specific steps that you need to follow before, during, and after you rub an ice cube on your skin.
Okay, are you ready to apply the ice cube? So the first thing you're going to do is to wash your hands. After this, clean your skin completely with your regular cleanser. Washing your hands and skin before rubbing an ice cube on your face will prevent germs and bacteria from being transmitted to your skin. It is recommended to cover or wrap the ice cube with a paper towel or a clean cloth before use. However, if you have decided to apply the ice cube directly on your skin, there are a few things you need to know. First thing, avoid holding the ice cube on one exact spot for a long period of time. You need to keep it moving. The second thing is to wet the ice cube before you use it so it won't stick to your skin. And the last thing is to apply some toner or a serum before icing because it helps these products to soak deeper into your skin. Now that you know all these important things, you're going to rub the ice cube in circular motions for no longer than 5 seconds on one spot. So as you can see, I'm going to start rubbing the ice cube on the left side of my face and I'm gonna count to 5. Now I'm going to move to the right side of my face, applying the same motion and timing. Next, you're gonna ice the chin and the mouth area at the same time, exactly like this. Now let's apply the ice cube on the nose and finally the forehead area, which you can divide it into sections to make it easy, always following the same instructions. Following this way, you're going to avoid rubbing the ice cube for too long into your skin or overdoing the application on the same spot. By the way, you can apply this for awakening your skin in the morning, for calming your skin at night, or even reducing puffiness under the eyes, which I have a very cool tip right here.
While your hands are cold, I like to place them on top of my eyelids like this. This way you don't necessarily apply the ice cube directly on your eyes.
But when it comes to only icing a pimple, the method is different. So the best way to get rid of a pimple is to wrap the ice cube because you're gonna hold the ice cube directly on the pimple for 10 seconds. Rest 10 seconds and then hold the ice cube on the pimple one more time for 10 more seconds. This is all you need to do in the morning and at night to reduce the inflammation and swelling on a pimple very fast. When you're finished, let your face air dry. It could take a few minutes, but it is worth it because you don't want to wipe away the toner or the serum that you just applied. When your face is almost dried, what you do after icing your skin is very important as well because any skincare product you apply next will also penetrate deeper into your skin. So serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen, if this is the case, should be applied and follow in this exact order.
Here you can see real results of rubbing an ice cube to your skin every single day for a week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next video. Pura vida!